Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to delete Stake account permanently. So in order for us to proceed, I want you to head over to stake.com and then make sure that you are logged in. From here, go down below, you have here responsible gambling, go ahead and click that one. And then you have here self-exclusion. I'm going to go ahead and click it. And then I'm going to click where it says request self-exclusion. Alright, as you can see, there is an email sent. We can go ahead and check it out. And then we have here start self-exclusion. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. Alright, as you can see, it says self-exclusion updated. You have successfully initiated your self-exclusion cooldown period. So yep, after that cooldown period, you have here, you will be sent a follow-up email outlining the instructions on how to finalize the process. So yeah, you're just going to wait for this 24-hour cooldown period and then check your email again in order for you to be able to finalize this one. And that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.